friends, it's Allie. So today we're going shopping at Marshall's. I am doing a little hunt hunting again for Johanna Parker's witches mugs. Wish me luck. Oh look, there's a dapper girl here, Crow. She's got her handbag. This would be nice if it moved. It matches the other guy. Oh look, there he is. See? Look how beautiful. I kind of want them. How much are they? $25, not bad. But yeah, I can't get them. I spent too much. And I want to find Johanna Parker. I don't think I've ever seen them. $14.99. They're so cute. Or the houses for that matter. They're pretty dim. $30. They better light up better for $30. I don't know if we've seen him. He is big. 25. Oh look, there's the girl. How cute. I like that they're making couples. These are dancing. Oh friends, I'm so disappointed. No Johanna Parker. Oh, look at this cuteness. But yeah, after Marshall's, now Home Goods, I'm probably gonna have a change of pace. I'm probably gonna go to Burlington or Hobby Lobby. So now I came to Dollar Tree. I wanted to hunt for the, there's not a lot of Halloween stems here. I came to hunt for the ghosty picture frames, but I don't see them anywhere. This is so frustrating, friends. It's like hitting a busting everywhere. They do have all these 3D eye stickers and pumpkin teeth and things you could put on your jack-o'-lanterns. Look at, I love the craft fabric. Oh, look at the green one. Oh, don't fall for these. What am I gonna do with them? Sometimes I like to use them as runners or even napkins. But how can you not love that cat, right? Oh my god, so cute. And these are hard to find. Like once they come in, they're gone. And you got the candy corn, the spider web, and I think this one's the colorful one. Yeah, it's got all the jack-o'-lanterns, the bats, the ghosts, the spiders. Oh, look, there's a blue ghosty here. How cute. My friends, I'm in trouble. I don't think I've ever seen cheesecloth at Dollar Tree, have you? Oh, look, you can make a ghosty with this. I don't know, I might take a few. I was missing this one. It has bats, ghosties, skellies. It's so cute. Candy corn spiders. And look, friends, they're pretty big. So you could make them as napkins or just kind of fold them over.
Very cute. That's
I like this too. This is a classic candy corn, right? It's not so bright. Although it is, if that makes sense. It's still pretty cool. I think the only new thing is the plushies. Did we see these last time? I don't remember, but they're kind of cool. They're $7, it seems like. Oh, this one's nice too. I think this one might be new. These are all $5. I don't know, we saw the crawling zombie last time. Looks like it's $15. And they have all the blow molds. And they have the tablecloths. Eee, the spider. They have this one. The ghosties. The ghosties. They're cute. Well, this one has the Dracula. This one's a little more kiddish. Frankie, Skelly, and Money. And they have this one. The Cauldron. Why is that so close? And you guys tell me I'm so close. Sorry, friends. Oh, I kind of want this. It's the witch. I think we saw this last time, but I'm not gonna get it. Oh look, I think these were not here last time. They're like these cloches with butterflies and little stingrays, the skellies and the mushrooms. scrunchy, so work with me here. You get the idea. See, it gets better as you tighten it up. Okay, well, you get the idea, right? Oh, this reminds me of my middle son. He used to play Monopoly money all the time, and he used to count the money all the time, every day. And even his coins and his real money. Yep. He was a business major. He worked with money for a while, cashiering, but he's doing supervisory right now. So I don't know if that has to do with money. Let me tell you, I had to do a double take. $32.26. That's why I don't like to come to Dollar Tree. It really does add up. But I did get cute stuff, so anyway. Time to face the music. Decluttering time again. Open sesame. This is a cute church. I think it's gonna go. It's cute. Miss Rita's gonna love this because she loves churches. And she's a church lady. She's a pastor's wife, so she's gonna love this. Okay, getting rid of the first item. My son is here helping me do all the heavy lifting. And I'm just doing the decision making and the commands. What? Is there a spider in there, or is that just a web, Michael?
Oh, it's Charlotte's Web.
The Charlotte's Web? That used to be my favorite book. Okay, so far I'm getting rid of these. They're kind of plasticky. They're really cute, but I just want to do away with them. So turkey straws. I'm even getting rid of these. I thrifted them somewhere, but we've never used them, and I don't like the wood, how it's chipping. And then this is going to go. I'm going to get rid of this book. I hate to get rid of books, but I have so many. Like, seriously, I'd rather get rid of all my decor than books. That's how much of a bookworm I am. I was thinking about this one. I got it at Ross, and there is a big one that goes with it. I'm gonna think about this one, not sure. Sometimes it's hard to get rid of things like these. Like, I gave these to my son, but he's outgrown them already, and there's no space, so off they go to make someone else happy. He still loves Pokemon, though.
Need to go.
In my experience, don't keep things because they're sentimental, because they cost a lot of money, or because somebody gave them to you. Stop exaggerating. You're crying. What is this? Is this gonna go?
He's too big.
Yo, you're not getting, and I mean FAWK. You're not getting rid of Dumbo. Oh, dry your eyes, don't you cry. 'Cause you're so precious to me, baby of mine. Oh, we can't let go of Dumbo, and he's from your school too. Maybe later I will, and I'll just take pictures and videos. But for now, I can't let it go. I gotta get ready. Sometimes I find that the first time you see something, you have to wait to be able to let it go later. So it might not happen the first time, but maybe the next time I come in here. So my son tried to make all these, but he doesn't want them anymore. But these were cool tie-dye pants. He failed to get the right size, but next time. So it looks like we're keeping all those stuffed animals. And we probably should get rid of this truck. My husband's truck doesn't work. Hasn't worked for years. And there's no money to fix it right now. But in either case, I think the only thing that's going so far. So my son wants to keep all those stuffed animals. I'm going to keep them in here somewhere. Eventually, I don't know if I'm going to contain them in containers. What do you guys suggest? How do you guys keep stuffed animals stored? I don't know. We have to stop buying stuffed animals. We probably should get rid of my husband's truck. Do you guys want to buy that? It's been here, but it's not working. We have to fix it first. But so far, I have a bag going here. I'm getting rid of this glass, some clothing, some of these decorative shreds, which I probably should keep for holiday, but I don't know. It's just gonna go for now. It feels good that I have one box so far full of stuff. There's another bed sheet in there. See this bed sheet? My sons don't like bed sheets, so off they go.
Dark sides of my room turn to shadows in the shape of you.